my question was, why did you delay the decision of joining the coaching institute exactly? Because if you are now well prepared that I'll go in judiciary, so you will immediately join it. Either you will join or you will not join. But you did not join that time, later on you joined.
Because sir, initially I thought I will just do litigation.
Okay.
So initially,
you changed the mind.
yes, so initially I was just focused on litigation. Any government job or that matter, judicial or other, I was definitely inclined against. So people would tell me, because I have a family background of government jobs, and family or other relatives also, compel you indirectly कि आप करिए government. I told them no, I'll do litigation, I'll do private. Government I will not do. But then you do litigation, you realize different things. It's a beautiful journey, of course, but you realize कि मुझे उस side होना है. You see, courts on a daily basis, and you feel okay, arguing is nice, but sometimes some finicky thing happens in your mind कि no, I want to be on the dais. So that's when it kicks in for you. सब maybe internship में किसी का click हो जाता है. For me, it clicked in when I was litigating. So when I left litigation and came to my PSU job, I told my friends, I'll come back. But I never told them obviously कि क्या plan है. But I would tell them continuously, I will come back. I'll come back to litigation.